Okay, so I went ahead and picked up this tarp from Harbor Freight. They do have several different sizes. These are just the ones that I use for right now. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put them up and putting it up onto my porch because so much sun comes through and it's very, very hot. Especially now that the summertime is coming, I want to be able to sit outside with my dog and sit out there in the afternoons without burning. So here I'm just going to be using some hooks that you can pick up basically anywhere. And I'm just going to be hanging my tarp right onto it. And I'm going to continue this process all the way around till I finish. And we did go ahead and bend the hooks up a little bit. That way the opening is not that big, so when the wind does come, it won't take the tarp away. I really like this tarp because it does have little holes and they're just big enough to let in some fresh air. And here you can see the big difference, how sunny it is on that side without the tarp, and then with the tarp, and then the shade for my home. And to double secure it, we did use some fish line to tie it to our porch. Now for my little privacy area, I picked up this lattice from Lowe's and they were on clearance for $35. And this is the packaging. And they do come with some zip ties, and they can become, the longer you put them, the shorter it becomes. But if you want to leave it short, then it becomes thicker, as you guys saw there. And to also put these up, I'm going to be using the same hooks that I used for my tarp to hang the lattice. These are the hooks that I'm using. I picked them up from Walmart. And I'm just going to continue the process all around until I put up my 2 panels. These do not click together. We went ahead and just slid it under the opening piece we had. We decided to use hooks because we felt like if we were to screw this down with nails, it could possibly crack that plastic. And we didn't want to risk it breaking, so we just went ahead with these hooks. You can also use some bigger hooks. We just had these on hand. And these are the zip ties each pack came with. And we're just going to go ahead and use them to zip tie our 2 panels together. That way the wind won't take them away. And we zip tied the whole panels together. And this is the back side and this is the front. I think it looks super cute. And the leaves are also very sturdy. They are clipped together to that panel so they won't fly away in the wind even if you tug at it. And the leaves should not fall apart because they're all attached by one big plastic to make like a little triangle. And it's not that see-through for the fact that I did stretch it out long ways. I'm going to spray both sides of this panel with this clear coat to ensure it doesn't get rotten in the sun. Now I had already added these little hooks that I also picked up from Walmart to hang my swings from. We had did this a while back when we built this porch. And I did pick up these hammock chairs from Walmart on their website. And you guys can see here, you can't really see the background anymore, so it has pretty good coverage. Now onto the flower portion of the video. I did go to one of my local floral supply craft stores where I picked up all of these different fake flowers. I was going to record while I was in there, but of course there was a sign that said no recording. Most of the planters I use in this video I got either from Walmart or Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys these couple of things I picked up from the Dollar Tree in the plus section. And I think they're going to look so nice in my little garden area now that I'm going to have a cute front porch. So now here I'm just going to fast forward you all so you can see me make all these pots for my outside garden. And now I'm just going to be adding in all of my flowers that you guys saw me make earlier. I picked up this cute little seat bench from the Dollar Tree in the plus section. And here I just left the foam and added like maybe 1 or 2 rocks per pot. But the main secret here is to add dirt or soil to make sure the wind will not take these pots away, since they are fake flowers and they're pretty light. And I went ahead and did that with all my pots. And now I'm going to use the same UV spray paint that I got from Walmart to spray all of my fake flowers to ensure they do not fade or get damaged with the weather, since they are outside. I did about 3 coats on each flower pot and also on my panels. Now I'm going to be adding back my gazebo lights that I had up on top. And now this is our final result. This is how all my flowers came out looking. They don't look that fake for the fact that they are fake flowers. And the reason I wanted to go with fake is because I have put real flowers before. But of course they always die because the heat is so strong where I live that nothing will survive unless you water it like 3 times a day. And this is the panel. You can't see nothing at all from the back unless you really like put your eye through it. And it does block some sun, so I do recommend you buy it before it sells out. Clearance, $35 at Lowe's. And I really like those bunnies. And if you saw my Easter DIYs, I did not get to add that in because I didn't have the bunnies yet. And now this is my other side with that tarp that we put. It really does make a big difference. So I do recommend buying this if you have issues with sun in your patio or yard, because it really is really fresh. And this is the wire that we did use to attach it to double secure it. And that's all for today's video. So if you did like anything I showed you guys in this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to get notified every single time I post a new video, then don't forget to click that little bell to get notified. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.